I am Gayathri from 9th standard. Today we are very happy to understand about electrical vehicles and electrical safety measures used for the transportation, and it is also used in reducing air pollution, contributing to cleaner environment. And we are very happy today to understand this topic. Thank you.
What is there? A small battery is there and small LED is there. You can see the bulb is glowing. Okay, sir, what is the advantage of this kind of electronic gadgets? Okay, so if you are studying at night 10 o'clock or 8 o'clock, so power may not be available. Okay, so then what you can do? You have to buy an inverter of how much cost? 20,000 rupees. But the cost of this bulb after the technology is only some 200. It is available in our Kishore Electricals also. Just you buy it, just install to the holder. As soon as power goes, automatically the bulb starts glowing. So automatically you can happily study your education. So this type of devices are like creating an awareness too, because we should know after studying what I have to do. Are able to get అర్థమవుతుందా? మనమంతా చదివేస్తాను, చదివిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? Like this, you have to find some new thing. This is called engineering. This is called engineering. So మీరు ఫిజిక్స్ బాగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటే ఇలాంటి బల్బులు మీరే తయారు చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో వన్ మోర్ ఐ విల్ షో. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ a PRCD plug. Okay, so PRCD plug, very important. PRCD means portable residual current device. Okay, portable residual current device. Sir, what is the purpose of this PRCD plug? For example, so sometimes you can see here when you go for bath, okay, automatically you turn on the geyser. Okay, so sometimes you can see here when you touch the tap you may receive electric shock. So per day minimum 5 to 10 people, the people are dying due to electrical shocks, due to improper wiring, due to short circuit in winter, due to improper operation of electrical wires at a farming station. So people are dying. So those are resigning in the home also. Why? Because they turn on the geyser and they will automatically turn on the tap. Due to aging of this electric geyser, current and water will combine. In the water itself, what you will get? Current. You will take the water and you will pour, or just you will touch the tap, you will die there. It's very painful to listen all this. People are dying without their any issue. Okay, simply just by touching the tap they are dying. Okay, so for this we have small device where this is called RCCB plug, or in shortcut we call it as a portable residual current device. So the cost of this is around 600 to 700. Sir, how to use this device? Okay, I will show one video also. Just view this video and I will give an clarity how it works. Okay, you see here you have an plug, directly you have an 3 pins, just insert that pin, and you have how many pins here? 3 pins. Just take the 3 pin top and insert onto this plug. Okay, so just automatically this bulb will start glowing. Okay, for example, at any case if our geyser has been aged and current and water gets combined, we tap touch చేశారు అనుకోండి, automatic ఏమైపోద్ది, this button will trip like this. You see here, just it will give a sound like this, and automatically this will open and automatically you will not receive any shock. So indirectly, if you wantedly or unwantedly, if you touch the tap, if you receive the electric shock within milliseconds, this will trip the circuit and there is no chance of death, and there is no chance of current and water will combine electricity. So this is not only recommended for water geysers, so you can have the fridge. Okay, in a fridge also sometimes if the fridge is aged, if you open the door you will have some tingling sensation. So how many has received electric shock till date? ఇప్పుడు ఎంతమంది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్ కొట్టింది? You see here. So why you had this electric shock? Due to improper wiring, due to non-utilization of this kind of switches. If you use this kind of switches, you will never receive an electric shock and you will never die. Okay, so these plugs are very popular in foreign countries. Currently now these are also available in India. Okay, so you can install it to an where you have an metal like a fridge. So fridge, as soon as age goes, automatically the iron will undergo corrosion, and due to electricity if you touch it you will receive some shock and there is a chance of death. Okay, and you can see the bathroom switches also. What bathroom switches will happen? So generally you will come out of bathroom and moisture will be there in your hand, suddenly you will turn it on, automatic what will have? You will have an tingling sensation and you will receive an electric shock. How many has subjected to shock? tingling అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, take your gas lighter, just you press it, ఎలా ఉంటుంది sensation? A small pinning and needle like that. Those kind of problems all you can solve by one device where this is called PRCD device. So if you install this one to your home, no one in your family will die due to electric shock. Anyone died in your family due to electric shock? No one. Had you seen in papers? So per day minimum 5 to 10 people are dying due to aware of electric shocks. Okay, all these electric shocks we can prevent by using this PRCD device. Okay, if you want to buy it, just go to Amazon. I think you know how to access Amazon. Just go to Havells, just type PRCD plug and a current of 30 milliamps. Now let's try to understand why people die. What is meant by shock? So shock కొట్టింది అసలు ఎందుకు కొట్టింది షాక్? డ్యూ టు వోల్టేజ్ ఆర్ కరెంట్? Current. Okay, very simple example I will say you how to understand this current. So already your physics professors and they have been teaching you about what is current, resistance and voltage. Okay, so you have the plug here. Okay, you have 3 plugs. So this is nothing but line, neutral, this is nothing but earth. Okay, so unfortunately knowing or unknowingly how you will handle the plug is, you will take the plug like this, you will hold and you will insert into the socket. What will happen? You have been your skin is contact with what? Line automatically. So if it is properly grounded, okay, and here you are standing, okay, and your hand has been in contact with the line. So current will try to take a decision whether I have to flow through the body or whether I have to flow through the earth. Okay, so current will try to flow into your body and automatically you will die. The formula here is current I is equal to, what is the formula for current? What is the Ohm's law? V equal to I into R. So where current flows, wherever resistance is low, then current starts flowing. Your body, when you are going to touch, your body is offering low resistance, then automatically current flows dual current device. So this will operate with low resistance. Our body is of high resistance. Sir, what is this low resistance and high resistance? For example, you will go for bath morning. Okay, so I am saying that current will flow only when we have how much resistance? Low resistance. So current will flow in which path? Low resistive path. So you are taking the bath in an bathroom. Okay, so you will take 10 liters of water and you will pour on your body. So how the water goes? It will directly go into the hole or it will go upside. Why the water goes into the hole? Hole is offering how much resistance? How much resistance? Low resistance. That's why water or current will flow here. Why water is not going to the upstream? It is having how much resistance? High resistance. That's why it is not traveling. This is very simple to understand. You should understand the physics like this. So if you understand what's happening daily, అర్థమవుతుందా? మన ఇంట్లో స్నానం చేసే దాన్ని బట్టి హై రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉందా లో రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉందా డిసైడ్ చేయొచ్చు. వాటర్ ఆర్ కరెంట్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? వాట్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ కరెంట్? వాట్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ కరెంట్? 10 electrons traveled in a time of 1 second is called current. How many electrons? 10 electrons or 100 electrons travel for a time of 1 second. So 10 by 1, this is how many amperes of current? 10 amperes of current. Similarly, water is there. If 10 liters of water is sent out for a time of 1 second, then this is called 10 discharge. So that's why I compared current with water. So you may be understanding voltage. What is voltage? High voltage and low voltage. Voltage flows, I mean current flows from high potential to low potential. What is the meaning? How to understand? You have a water tank in 10th floor. So in 10th floor you open the tap. To where the water will come? It will travel from 10th floor to first floor. Where 10th floor is called 10 volts. 0th floor is called 0 volts. How the current flows? High potential to low potential. That water is called current. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది. So current అంటే ఏంటి? Water and both are same. Just to make you to understand. So if you have this there and this is both are there. If you take a water tank here, does the water flows? No. Why? Both are at same level. It maintained at same potential. Therefore, there is no flow of current. So this is like how you understand physics. This is how you understand the depth of physics. The more you understand, you can understand this engineering very simple. Then you can start thinking of your brain. This is called innovative thinking. This is called innovative thinking. That's why you have an science day. You can go to Amazon or you can go to YouTube. What are the science projects I can do for science fair? Then you get lot of projects. You do one of the things, then you will get an aware of the things. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's what the meaning of this electrical engineering. Okay, so if you understand the things better, like this, designing this is a very after all, it's not a big task, very simple. Just small battery, small LED bulb, how you connect your diode, the things are very simple. Okay, let's have some small interaction with you. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Or do you have any misunderstanding what is this current electricity? Or do you have any doubts regarding your subject? You can ask. You may ask, sir, why I am studying this 6th, 7th and 8th? What is the need of this subject? You can ask. You can ask if you have any doubt. Mithulu. For them also like Vola and TVS iQube, they design high end. So every company will manufacture low end category and high end category. So based on, if you normal phone, big phone ఉంది కదా, so you have normal Nokia phone, button phone, normal what, Realme phone, but you have Apple also. What is the difference? Both are phones only. No, what is the difference? Apple is an premium segment, premium quality, premium design, premium voice. So OS no one can hack Apple phone. Kani Android everyone can hack. Are you able to understand? So there is like high end and low end. Good. Okay. When you ask doubt, from this doubt you will find a new solution. Then you feel engineering is very important. సో ఇవన్నీ మీరు బాగా చదువుకుంటే ఇంజనీరింగ్ యూ కెన్ ప్లే ఫుట్బాల్. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్తాను, మీ పిల్లర్ ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటే దట్ మెనీ దట్ మెనీ లేయర్స్ యూ కెన్ బిల్డ్ ఆర్ దట్ మెనీ ఫ్లోర్స్ యూ కెన్ బిల్డ్. ఇఫ్ ద పిల్లర్ ఇస్ టూ వీక్, what will happen? By first floor itself it will collapse. Okay, that's why you should make your pillars very very strong. If pillar ఎంత strong ఉంది కాబట్టి you are studying in this class. If it's very weak, what will happen? You can't at least sit here. That's why this building is also having life, right? Any other? So this I am speaking only on electrical engineering.
I am Gayathri from 9th standard. Today we are very happy to understand about electrical vehicles and electrical safety measures. And electrical vehicles are primarily used for the transportation, and it is also used in reducing air pollution, contributing to greener environment. And we are very happy today to understand this topic. Thank you.